Hello everyone, this is Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. How y'all doing? Right now we're having a bad snowstorm. Supposed to snow a lot tonight. Check it out guys. Supposed to snow an inch per hour, I heard. Snow's kind of wet too. Yeah. Wow. It's getting bad. Inch per hour. Can you guys see the snow? Ooh, it's cold out here. I don't like the winter time at all. I hate it. I put some salt down here. Look at that, it's all melted. Put some stuff around the car. Look at that car going slow. Ooh. Yeah, somebody's doing pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, it's flying down the road still. They still fly down the road even though it's bad. It's terrible. I'm gonna go back in. I just want to show you guys the snow we're having. Yeah, it's snowing pretty good out there, honey.
Supposed to we have that door built.
Alright.
He said they're gonna expecting to they're gonna have
How much snow are we supposed to get?
11.
11 inches? Are you serious?
Tomorrow.
What, tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Oh my goodness.
Tomorrow night.
Wow. So it's gonna be tonight and tomorrow also. Wow, it's gonna be bad then. Wow, that's a lot of snow, guys. A lot of snow. I'm back in the house.
I hope they don't have this school because no, as a person driving.
I know, I tell you what. I think it'd be alright.
I have been.
He drives safe.
Yeah, I have been. No, I don't drive this. No, I have to clear right away.
I hope so too.
And put salt.
Cause yeah, he's not used to snow.
No.
Harry, is Harry used to snow?
Yeah, he drive already.
Oh, okay, I wasn't sure. Okay, guys, this is Butch and Lucy's Life in the USA. There's Miss Lucy. She's down here watching TV. Yeah, I gotta take off, guys. You guys take care. Have a good night. God bless. Thanks for looking in. See you again soon.